Good morning. Today we have the AKM or AK-47 cleaning kit from East Germany. Comes in this little tobacco can style case. It is very compact, very small, fits easily into a pouch or your pocket, whether you're using a chest rig or belt or even just in your pants pocket. Nice little item to have either on the range or if you're out in the field. It's stamped RG57 and there are no other additional stampings on it. Originally it came in a kind of a nylon rubberized gray pouch and it had a mesh cleaning rag around it. So we'll open it up. First thing you've got is your pull rope, a weighted end, and then the hook end. There's a rubber tube here, and I carry it's a nylon brush, and then there is it's almost like a multi-tool, screwdriver end, has a punch, can be used to take out pins if need be. You AK guys know that there's not much to field stripping these things, but if you had to take it down further, at least you've got some devices to help you out. Then you've got a bore brush. So it has nylon bristles at the front and rear, and then copper in the center. And there's a little dust brush that comes with it. You can probably get big debris out of there, but it tends to fray up a little bit. And finally, have a little metal oil bottle, chain lid. And these things are still fairly cheap. I bought this one quite a few years ago, and I can't remember what I paid for, but it was sub $10. Now I think they're between $10 and $15 to pick these things up. So they're kind of worth having it just to have a quick cleaning kit while you're out shooting or having a day in the field. And then of course you still have your cleaning rod on the rifle itself. So we'll run this pull rope through just to see how it works. But fairly simple. Hook on your bore brush. And whether you like to clean from bore end or chamber end or bore end. Try to get this on camera. So you just pull your rope, kind of like using a bore snake. In here, you can see that there's the bore brush. Just a straight pull through. Fairly simple. This rifle is fairly clean at the time because I had it out a few weeks ago, shot it, and just gave it a cleaning. But that's kind of it. If you're looking for a pocket cleaning kit, something that is nice and compact and portable, this may be an option for you. There's a lot of online surplus places that still have these things. They must have made millions of them. Thank you for watching. Hope you like what we're doing. If you will, give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. And one more thing I forgot to show. We'll put it back together. Fairly simple. This is the way I do it. You may have your own method, but oil bottle first, then the rubber tube. I store the nylon brush in there, and then the punch screwdriver on top of that. Find a place it'll fit in. Then drop in the bore brush. Dust brush. And then your pull rope or makeshift bore snake, whatever you want to call it. And that end it's a heavy end, and it also has a little punch bit on the tip of it. Drive that in there. Store your rope inside. And it is ready to go.